The inner door glass of the Smeg ovens is one complete sheet of glass, meaning that there's no areas where food can get trapped, say if this was metal and a glass inset in between. What is also really key about the Smeg doors is that they are accessible between the panes of glass. So whilst it's well insulated, it's easy to get into to clean out food that might have got caught between, or perhaps over time the glass has become cloudy. So to remove the glass door, all you need to do is pop your hands at the base end of the glass, use your thumbs as a resistor and pull up. This will release the glass by the 2 pins at the back, and then just lift the complete pane of glass away from the oven. Once the top pane of glass has been removed, the weight of the door changes, so it's important that you either use your body weight against it or have a second person to hold the door down. It is possible to remove the entire door though and position it on the work surface to clean in between the panes of glass. But once that top piece of glass has been removed, it reveals then the remaining pieces of glass, which can be accessed simply by lifting them up and removing the rubber grommet that is just located here. The rubber grommet has got 2 little ridges, so once cleaned, it's important that these 2 ridges support each pane of glass before being put back into the seat of the oven door. To replace the top pane of glass back again, you have 2 pins positioned here and also on the other side, so a total of 4. These need to be lined up with the little holes in the door. You may need to get down at eye level just to make sure they're positioned correctly, and then you just need to push the door glass back into place. Some ovens come with a pair of telescopic rails. These can be positioned in the oven to give you greater fluidity of bringing food in and out without having to remove it from the oven itself, or just having a clearer picture of what's going on in the oven. They can be positioned on any shelf position, but all you have to do is position these 2 little top clips over the top of the runner you wish to position and snap into place. So place it over the top and push down, and then repeat on the other side. To access the sides of the oven, it's possible to remove the runners by placing your fingers underneath the wire rack, bring it into the centre and pull out. This can be cleaned using hot soapy water. To replace the runners, place the 2 little pins in the holes on the side of the wall and then snap back into place.